Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel. And I've had so much of love from you guys. Thank you so much. I never thought that all the DIY hairstyles I've been doing will be so well received. So I thought, how about another one? And I in fact have been, whenever I see this hairstyle on other women, I always look at it and I think that, oh my god, it's so easy that I thought that I'm going to do it for you. All you would need for this is medium size hair length. You need a scarf or a bandana which you can, fold it up and make it look this thin. And of course, another thing that you need is a medium size tongue. I'm also going to show you that I know it becomes very difficult for everybody to kind of curl their hair while you keep it open. So I'm going to show you another quick tutorial how you can curl your hair even more easily by tying it up in a ponytail. So all I will just say is that when you make your ponytail, don't make it very high or very low. Like, make it in a way that it's like on the higher side. However, make sure that it's not right here. So just a little below. So I'm just going to do that right here in front of you. And I'm now just going to take a hairspray and I'm just going to apply some of it, and I'm just going to make it absolutely neat. After I'm done with this, I'm now going to start taking sections, right? So not too thick, not too thin. So don't take your section too thin or thick. I just take my tongue now, I come all the way till the end. And I just start curling. So when your hair is tied up, it's much easier for you to even curl your hair. There you go, that's the last strand of my ponytail. And that is perfectly curled into place, right? Now comes the most important part for this hairstyle. All you have to do is, now whether you want to take it right or left is your preference really, right? So what I'm going to do is also, I'm just going to take my ponytail and I'm going to divide it into two, and I am going to place it right along my hairline. So what I would recommend is that, say if you have a longer ponytail, you could make it a little bit lower. So this would really depend on the length of your hair, right? So I just do this and I think, yeah, that is placed really well. So I just do that. I'm going to take some bobby pins, and I am going to secure this into place. If you feel your hair is a lot heavier, you can even put another pin here so that this kind of stays relatively on the flatter side. After I'm done with that, now I'm going to take the remaining portion and I'm going to place it right here on the side, right? And I really want it to kind of dangle on the side of my face. So you'll have to literally place it the way you want it to be placed. And now I'm going to secure this as well. And I'm just going to put one more pin right here in between both the hair, and I'm going to secure it right there. I'm also going to take some hairspray. So there you go. This is what it looks like. Now I know it looks really stupid right now, but it all makes sense the moment you put that scarf on. And I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to tie a knot right here. So do a double knot, of course, that goes without saying. So now I'm also going to tie another knot because I don't like it poking out of my head. And there you go. You're all set to go out. So there you go. I'm all set to have a fun day with my girlfriends. And one little thing. About this hairstyle that I just did, isn't it so easy? Come to think of it, we just think that things are going to be so much more difficult. Of course, that goes without saying, that the more you practice, the better you're going to be at it. So do let me know in the comments what you think about it. Have you subscribed to us yet? If not, subscribe now. And if you're not following us on Instagram, our handle is Chandni Singh Studio. So take care and let me know in the comments what you exactly feel about it.